Next, epidermal hairs. Epidermal hairs are of two types. One is called as root hair and second one is called as a trichomes. Epidermal hairs are of two types, that is trichomes and root hairs. Where root hairs are located? On the epidermis of the root. This is root cell. This is the root epidermis. Some of the epidermal cells of the root becomes elongated and forms root hairs. The epidermal cell itself elongates and forms root hair. So root hair is not the additional appendage present on the epidermis. The epidermal cell itself elongates and forms a root hair. So this is root hair. This is root epidermis. Root hair and root epidermis together called as root hair and root epidermis both together called as root hair and root epidermis. Epiblema. Root hair along with root epidermis together called as epiblema. What is the another name for epiblema? Epiblema may also be called as a rhizodermis. It may also be called as piliferous layer. Piliferous layer. But in NCERT textbook it was given epiblema. Root hair and root epidermis together called as epiblema. So root hairs are uni or multicellular structures. They are unicellular structures. So root hairs are exo or endogenous appendages. They are formed from outermost layer of the plant body, that is epidermis. If any structure formed from the outermost layer, that is from epidermis, it is called as exo. Root hairs are unicellular and are exogenous appendages. What is the function of root hair? Absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Root hair is helpful for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. So that is regarding root hair. Next are trichomes. Trichomes are present only on the epidermis of the dicot stem. They are mostly present on the epidermis of the dicot stem. Trichomes are absent in monocots and also in roots. Trichomes are absent on the epidermis of monocots and also on the epidermis of the root. Present commonly on the epidermis of the dicot stem. What is trichome? It is the additional appendage present on the epidermis of the dicot stem. This is the additional appendage. That is trichome. Trichomes are composed of how many cells? Many cells. Composed of many cells, so they are multicellular. Trichomes are multicellular. They are branched or unbranched cells. Either branched or unbranched. They may be branched or unbranched. They are soft or stiff appendages. Trichomes are multicellular. They may be branched or unbranched. They are soft or stiff appendages present on the epidermis of the dicot stem. This is trichome. What is the function of trichome? Prevent the loss of water by transpiration. They prevent the loss of water by transpiration and also help in secretion. Has two functions. Trichomes have two functions. It prevents the loss of water by transpiration and also help in secretion. So it is a secretory tissue. So that is about epidermal hairs. So that is about epidermal tissue system. Next, the second one, ground tissue system. What is ground tissue system? All the tissues except epidermis and vascular bundles. Except epidermis and vascular bundle, the remaining tissue in the plant body is called as ground tissue. Epidermis and vascular bundles together constitute ground tissue. All the three kinds of simple tissues may also considered as ground tissues. All the three kinds of simple tissues. What are simple tissues? Yes, parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. These three are also treated as ground tissues. The mesophyll in leaf may also be treated as ground tissue. Mesophyll tissue in leaf also may be treated as ground tissue. What is mesophyll? Thin-walled, chloroplast containing cells in leaf. That is called as mesophyll. In dicot leaf, the mesophyll is differentiated into parasite tissue and spongy parenchyma. Parasite tissue and spongy parenchyma together called as mesophyll in dicot leaf. So that is ground tissue system. All the tissues except epidermis and vascular bundle together called as ground tissue. All the three kinds of simple tissues treated as ground tissue: parenchyma, parenchyma, and sclerenchyma. The mesophyll tissue in leaf may also be considered as ground tissue. Next, vascular tissue system. Vascular tissue system. Vascular tissue may also be called as complex tissue, composed of both xylem and phloem. Vascular tissue is nothing but complex tissue, constitute both phloem and xylem. The phloem and xylem held together to form vascular bundles. The phloem and xylem in a vascular tissue together forms a vascular bundles. So types of vascular bundles. One is called as collateral vascular bundles. Second one, bicollateral. And third one, radial vascular bundle. Like that of three types. Collateral, bicollateral, and radial. What is collateral? In a vascular bundle, the xylem and phloem are arranged one above the other. If they are arranged one above the other, it is called as same radius or different radius. The xylem and phloem are arranged one above the other, it is called as same radius or different radius. Same radius or different radius? Same radius. If the xylem and phloem are arranged in a vascular bundle on same radius, such kind of vascular bundles are called as collateral. Xylem and phloem arranged closely one above the other. One above the other means that is on same radius. If the xylem and phloem are arranged one above the other on the same radius, such kind of vascular bundles are called as collateral. All collateral vascular bundle shows conjoint nature. Conjoint means the xylem and phloem are arranged closely in a vascular bundle. They are arranged one above the other, that is called as collateral. The two are arranged closely, that is called as conjoint. So the collateral vascular bundle also shows conjoint condition. So collateral vascular bundle may also be called as conjoint collateral. Conjoint collateral. A collateral vascular bundle, the xylem and phloem are arranged closely. So they may also be called as conjoint. So every collateral vascular bundle shows conjoint nature also. So they may also be called as conjoint collateral vascular bundles. So this is phloem and this is xylem. So in a vascular bundle, phloem and xylem are arranged one above the other. Phloem and xylem are arranged one above the other. Such condition is called as collateral vascular bundles. Or it may also be called as conjoint collateral vascular bundle. Collateral vascular bundles are of two types. Collateral vascular bundles are of two types. Collateral closed vascular bundles, collateral open type of vascular bundles. So example for collateral vascular bundles, anybody? Which plant parts having collateral vascular bundles? Yourself. Huh? Stand up. Dicot stem. Next. Yourself. First stand up and then say yes or no. Stems. Only stems. Monocot. All stems and all leaves shows collateral vascular bundles. Collateral vascular bundles are present in monocot stem, dicot stem, monocot leaf and dicot leaf. Sit up. Except roots, the stem and leaf shows collateral vascular bundles. Except root, dicot stem, monocot stem, dicot leaf and monocot leaf shows collateral vascular bundles. So collateral vascular bundles are of two types, that is collateral closed and collateral open. What is meant by closed? Cambium is absent between xylem and phloem in a vascular bundle. This is phloem. And this is xylem. Cambium absent between phloem and xylem in a vascular bundle. Cambium is absent between phloem and xylem in a vascular bundle. Such kind of vascular bundles are called as collateral closed or conjoined collateral closed. Conjoined collateral closed. So example for plant part that shows collateral closed vascular bundles. Yourself. Yourself. What I said. Dicot stem. Monocot. Monocot stem. Sit down. So collateral closed vascular bundles are present in monocot stem, monocot leaf and a dicot leaf. Except a dicot stem, all vascular bundles are closed type. So collateral closed vascular bundles are present in monocot stem, monocot leaf and dicot leaf also. Next, second one is collateral and open type. What is open? Having cambium between phloem and xylem. So this is phloem, this is xylem, and this is cambium. If cambium is present in between phloem and xylem in a vascular bundle, such kind of vascular bundles are called as open type. Collateral and open type. Collateral and open type of vascular bundles are present in dicot stem. Sit down. Collateral and open vascular bundles are present in dicot stem and also in gymnospermic stem. Secondary growth also takes place in gymnospermic stem. Secondary growth takes place in dicot stem, dicot root, gymnospermic stem and gymnospermic root. So dicot stem and gymnospermic stem, the vascular bundles are open type. That means having cambium between phloem and xylem. So what is the name of the cambium present in between phloem and xylem in a vascular bundle? What is the name of that cambium present in between phloem and xylem in a vascular bundle? Vascular cambium. Interfascicular cambium. It is not intra. It is a primary meristem, not inter. Inter is a secondary meristem. This is already present in the vascular bundle. It is formed from embryonal tissue. It is formed from procambium, so called as intrafascicular cambium. What is the another name for intra? Fascicular vascular, not vascular. Fascicular vascular cambium may also be called as intrafascicular cambium. Sit down. So this cambium is called as intrafascicular cambium. Intra or fascicular vascular cambium. Fascicular and vascular cambium. So it is primary or secondary meristem? Primary meristem. Though it is primary, it participates in secondary growth. Though it is a primary meristem, it involved in secondary growth. So that is about collateral vascular bundles. Next, second one, bicollateral vascular bundle. Bicollateral. What is bicollateral? The phloem is present on either side of the xylem. So this is xylem, and this is phloem. This is also phloem. This is phloem. This is also phloem. So the phloem is present on either side of the xylem. So the vascular bundle having two phloems, two cambiums, and only one xylem. Two phloems, two cambiums, and one xylem. Phloems 2, cambiums also 2, xylem is only 1. The phloem present towards outside is called as outer phloem. The phloem present towards inner side is called as inner phloem. The cambium present towards outside is called as outer cambium. And this is called as inner cambium. But xylem is only 1. So having bicollateral vascular bundles is the characteristic feature of. We discuss in families. Having bicollateral vascular bundles. Family Solanaceae. The stem of Solanaceae having bicollateral vascular bundles. Stems of Solanaceae. The stems of Solanaceae and also the stems of Cucurbitaceae. Cucurbitaceae means cucumber, pumpkin, and watermelon. Only the stems, not leaf, not root. The stems of Solanaceae, the stems of Cucurbitaceae having bicollateral vascular bundles. All collateral vascular bundles are conjoined. They are called as conjoined collateral. Having cambium, it is open. If cambium is absent, closed. Next one, radial vascular bundles. Radial vascular bundles. Radial vascular bundle. The xylem and phloem are arranged side by side, not on same radius. So they are different radii. If the xylem and phloem are arranged side by side, that is on different radius. Side by side, that is on different radius. Such kind of vascular bundles are called as radial. There is no conjoined condition in radial vascular bundles. Conjoined condition that can be seen only in collateral vascular bundles. This is radial. This is xylem. Next to xylem having phloem, and then xylem. Next to xylem having phloem. Xylem, then phloem. Xylem, then phloem. This is xylem, and this is phloem. So the phloem and xylem are arranged side by side, not on same radius. So having radial vascular bundle, that is the characteristic feature of all roots. That is both a dicot and monocot root having radial vascular bundles. Dicot and monocot root having radial vascular bundles. So we have weekend up to vascular tissue system. That is up to radial vascular bundles.